Hello there, my name is Nick and I am one of the trainers here at FH Fur, and one of the questions I commonly get is why are rubber washing machine hoses bad news for homes? That is a great question. And so rubber washing machine hoses, because they're constantly being heated and then they cool back down with the water inside, it really causes those things to break, to burst, to bubble, to crack. And so you start to get leaks in those things, if not just a huge gash in the side of one. And so we recommend switching to braided steel hoses because those are resistant to those type of things. And so insurance companies, home insurance companies, say that the number one reason for flooding inside of homes is because of a burst washing machine hose. So switching over to braided steel would be a great thing for your home and your family and to keep it safe.